February 12th, 2025, one day after I posted a video about the 10 best niches for YouTube Shorts. But something felt off. I wasn't satisfied. Most niches come and go. The faster they explode, the harder they crash. I didn't want something temporary. I wanted a niche that could bring in consistent views every single day. Not just for weeks, but for months, or even years. So I started looking deeper, searching for something solid, and that's when I found it. This channel, Wisdom and Folklores. Their every single video was pulling in hundreds of thousands of views. Most people fail at YouTube Shorts. They put in the effort, they post, but nobody watches just because you were picking niches that were fading away. But this one kept going strong. That's when it clicked. This was the niche I'd been looking for. And trust me, this is the easiest niche you can try right now. And you don't need any professional skills or equipment. Just invest your 10 minutes with complete focus and follow all my steps. And by the end of this video, you will be completely ready to make your first successful short. All right, we will start with getting killer video ideas that actually work and go viral every single time. Now, this is where most people actually fail. They pick up a random video idea and invest their precious time in making a video only to end up getting 0 views. That's why, in this step, you need to pay close attention. And I am going to show you the best method for getting video ideas that actually work. For this, I have created a list of prompts that will make your work easier and faster. I have listed all these prompts in a Google document, and you can access the document completely for free from the prompt channel in my Discord server. I will provide a link to my Discord in the description of this video. All right, heading straight towards DeepSeek for getting video ideas because it is completely free and even more advanced than ChatGPT. So first, you just need to ask DeepSeek to provide you with a list of 70 viral and best performing, psychologically driven, retention grabbing video ideas on the wisdom stories niche in the form of titles, and just hit enter. By doing this, DeepSeek will spit out all the best performing ideas on which you can very easily create your videos. Just perfect. So we literally have 70 different video ideas in a matter of a few seconds. Now you can just copy paste all of these video topics into a separate notepad and create a video on each topic one by one, so that you don't have to do topic research for every video again and again. You can just follow the sequence and make a video on these topics instead. Okay guys, so next, we will just copy our second prompt, which is basically for generating our script. We will just paste the prompt in DeepSeek, and as you can see, the prompt is completely customizable, which means you just need to paste your video topic between these empty brackets. And that's all you have to do. Just hit enter again, and DeepSeek will write a fully humanistic script for you. It will be completely impossible for anyone to tell whether this script was written by a human or AI. After we have the script, we will need prompts for generating our visuals, right? Don't worry, I have a prompt for this purpose as well. Now pay close attention, keeping in mind the main issues that most people face, like details and character consistency in images. I made this prompt. Using this prompt is very simple. First, just paste the prompt in DeepSeek and then copy the first sentence of your script, just like I am doing, and simply paste that sentence between the empty brackets in the prompt and hit enter. By doing this, DeepSeek will write you a perfect prompt for that particular sentence with proper character consistency and details. The same goes for the next sentence. Simply paste the prompt again in the message box, and just like before, copy the next sentence of your script, paste it in the empty brackets, and just hit enter. DeepSeek will write the second prompt the same way it wrote the first prompt, with proper character consistency, making the second image a sequel to the first image. Once you have all the image prompts ready, we will just head towards generating our images, and for that, we will be using a completely free text-to-image tool, Lumen. This AI tool is not just free, but provides unlimited usage for creating images. So just click on the Create option, and once you land on this page, simply copy the first image prompt from DeepSeek and paste it here in Lumen. After pasting the prompt, make sure to write hyper-realistic, highly detailed, cinematic, good contrast, and 4K. This will ensure that your images are highly realistic and fully detailed. Make sure to write these additional context after every prompt. Then just select a good image model. You can try out all of them and pick the one that provides you with the best results. After that, for the image ratio, make sure to select the 9:16 format. And from below, select the number of images as 2 so that Lumen generates 2 images in a single go. Just hit enter and Lumen will start the image generation process, which usually takes a few seconds. As for the image quality, you can see for yourself. The details look amazing. In the same way, just generate all the images, and once this step is done, we will head towards turning our script into into a voiceover. For voiceover, the AI tool we are about to use today is DapDab. It's an all-in-one AI tool with many features besides voiceover, but for now, we will use it for voiceover. Simply head to the AI voiceover feature, then go back to DeepSeek, copy the whole script, and paste it into DapDab. When it comes to getting higher retention, it's very important to pick a voice that sounds completely natural and humanistic, as this plays a huge role in audience retention. After that, simply click on More Voiceover so that you can access a large library of hundreds of different voiceovers. But let me show you something even crazier. If you click on the multi-emotive feature, you will see a list of voiceover characters. What sets these characters apart from the rest is that if you select a particular character, you can even choose an emotional tone in which the character reads the script, such as cheerful, excited, angry, whispering, or friendly. Choosing a tone like sad, happy, or angry makes the character's voice and expression match the mood perfectly, giving it a realistic touch and making it easier for you to select a particular emotion for your voiceover. You can also select one of the best voiceover characters. For that, simply select All from the left side, and at the top you will see some filters. For example, you can select the accent of the character, like British, African, or even US English. Then, we will select the gender as male and the age as adult, because we are in the wisdom niche, so we need an adult voice. When it comes to quality, I would suggest going with Ultra ones, and you will get a list of all the best AI voiceover characters. Now, we will simply select a voiceover character, and by clicking on the play button, you can preview your voiceover. Once you are satisfied, just click on Export, select MP3, and click on Export again, and your voiceover will be downloaded to your device. Then simply follow me in the next step as well, which is turning our still images into animated video clips. This step is very important, so don't miss a single second. For image to video, we will be using another free AI tool, Vidu. Out of all the AI tools I have used for image to video, I found Vidu to be the best. And no, this is not a paid promotion. So just create a free account using your Gmail, and after landing on this interface, simply click on Image to Video. Then click on Upload Image and select your first image. Now, pay close attention. Simply head back to DeepSeek, and what you need to do is copy the first image prompt that you used to create that particular image and paste it here in Vidu. After that, select Medium as the movement amplitude, and that's it. Simply hit Create, and Vidu will start animating your image. It will only take a few seconds for the video to be ready, and trust me, no free image to video tool will provide you with faster generation and quality like Vidu. So our video is ready. You can check the animation quality yourself. Vidu has very few chances of making mistakes, but you might notice a slight difference in quality. That's not a problem. Simply click on HD, and Vidu will turn that clip into 1080p. That's exactly how you can animate all of your images. In case you run out of credits, you can use multiple Gmail accounts to create multiple accounts, and you will have enough credits. Besides, Vidu also refills your credits every month. Okay guys, now coming down to the final step. We will be editing our video in CapCut. Simply import all the materials into CapCut, and first, place the voiceover on the timeline. Trim out the silent parts from the voiceover. When it comes to shorts, it's very important to have a fast-paced voiceover so that the viewer doesn't even find a single second to leave the video. If the voiceover has silent areas, every single second might irritate the viewer, so make sure you eliminate the silent parts. After that, simply place all your clips on the timeline. Since we created every clip in sequence, placing the clips according to the voiceover won't be that difficult. Just take your time here and make sure you place each clip accordingly. Once this part is done, head to the Transitions tab. Now, what I recommend and personally use is the black fade transition. It's just so smooth and cinematic that it gives the vibe of a trailer, making it easier for people to digest the whole short without losing attention. By clicking on Apply to All, your transition will be applied to all clips. Next comes the effects. CapCut has hundreds, if not thousands, of built-in effects. However, since our images are already animated into video clips, we don't have much to do. There is no particular effect I can recommend because they all are so good. You can play around with different effects and see what impact they have on a particular clip. That's exactly how you can find the perfect effects for yourself and give your videos a unique touch. To make our video look even higher quality, up to 4K, simply head to the Filters tab. You'll find the 4K filter at the top, and if not, just search for 4K. Drag and drop this filter onto the timeline and stretch it across the entire video. Make sure to keep its value between 70 to 80, as this will significantly improve the overall quality of your video. Alright guys, coming to the most important part of any video, captions. According to research from the National Center for Accessible Media, adding captions can increase retention by 40% compared to videos without captions. The best part? CapCut has a built-in auto-caption feature that generates captions for the entire video in just one click. But it doesn't stop there. CapCut also has tons of caption templates. I strongly recommend using single-word fast captions because they perform amazingly well in shorts. Make sure to adjust their size and place them in the middle of the screen. Many people put captions at the top or bottom of the screen, but that can be irritating since it's difficult to focus on both the captions and visuals at the same time. Keeping them in the center ensures maximum engagement. In the final step, add background music to make the video more visually appealing and emotionally engaging. However, make sure to reduce the volume so that it's not distracting. You can get free background music from Pixabay or even YouTube. Just make sure that the particular YouTube channel allows their music to be used, and don't forget to credit them in your video description. And just like that, our video is ready. Let's take a look at what we created.
Have you ever felt like no matter how much you achieve, something still feels missing? Imagine a millionaire who had it all: money, power, fame, but still felt empty inside. One day, he walked past a beggar on the street, and what happened next changed his life forever. The beggar, with nothing but a smile, said, "Happiness isn't in what you have, but in what you give." That simple truth hit the millionaire like a wave. He realized he'd been chasing the wrong things all along. Sometimes, the deepest wisdom comes from the...
Make sure to join my Discord server from the link in the description and become part of a massive community.